Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening PowerPoint and selecting a template or blank so structure is ready. Set slide size to 16, 9 for screens. Once done, adjust the slide master to define fonts, colors, and placeholders so every slide adheres to the same look. Save immediately as a PPTX and enable auto recover so you don't lose work. Naming the file with a version or date makes iterations simple and traceable. Now add your title slide and main sections to map the flow. You now populate slides with concise headlines and supporting bullets. Prefer one idea per slide so the audience follows easily. Insert visuals, images, icons, charts, and smart art, and compress multimedia to keep file size manageable. Make sure images use consistent aspect ratios to avoid distortion. When adding animations, be deliberate. Use subtle presets like fade or appear and set duration and delay so motion reinforces, not distracts. Once layouts are set, run slide sorter to check pacing and balance. You finish by reviewing slideshow settings and rehearsing timings so transitions and narrations match your speaking rhythm. Record rehearsal if you'll share a self-running file. Export to PDF for handouts or MP4 video when you need universal playback, and embed fonts to preserve layout. Do a final QA pass, spell check, verify slide order, and confirm speaker notes. If something breaks, like missing fonts or media, relink files, re-embed media, or use compatibility mode to resolve rendering issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.